Tell your alpha.
Forest.
You're going to need a better lens if you want to see me bleed. Wet dog. They didn't even try to hide the scent. My property line ends at the river. You're trespassing. Tell your alpha. I don't share territory.
The forest. It just went completely silent. They read minds, Lyra!
Give me one good reason why I shouldn't have ripped your throat out.
All right, message received. My alpha just wanted to know if the new neighbor was a threat to the pack.
And your conclusion?
That you're a solitary predator. We respect that. But the Vance family, the leeches, they don't share territory. And they don't like secrets.
I don't play pack politics.
They read minds, Lyra! Survive high school first, don't let them in!
My mind is a steel trap.
Quiet. Finally.
Caspian, stop! What are you hiding?
Don't walk away yet.
Caspian, stop!
I can't read her. It's not a shield. It's just complete deafening static. It's giving me a migraine.
Whatever psychic trick you're running, shut it down. Now.
We protect this town from unstable elements. You're blocking me. What are you hiding?
He won't try again, just don't walk away yet.
Get out of my feelings!
I'm not trying to control you. For a century, I've heard everyone's grief, their greed. But around you, it's absolutely silent.
I'm not your sanctuary. I'm your warning. I told you to stay out of my head, Simus. Ouch! I told you. I told you to stay out of my head, Simus.
I'm merely mapping out potential threats. You're terribly defensive for someone claiming to be ordinary.
Keep testing my bounders, and I'll show you exactly how dangerous I can be.
Simus, she's scaring me. Why is she acting like this?
Drop the act, sweetheart. You're not scared. You're just terrified he'll find someone more interesting to protect.
Ouch!
Look at me. Focus. Not the blood.
Silas, get her away! Get her away! She's making him worse!
Shut up. I'm the only thing keeping him from tearing your head off.
I'm a monster. You should have let me run.
I don't run. And I don't let anyone create chaos in my territory. Come with me. Lie to me, Caspian.
Use me, Lyra.
If you want my quiet, you earn it. Come with me.
Your brother reads minds. He must have a file on everyone in this town, including the 2013 Thorn homicide.
Silas keeps his private records in a vault. Even I can't access
Lie to me, Caspian, and I will throw you back into the noise.
I don't care about Silas's secrets. I only care about this. Use me, Lyra. Ask me to steal it, and I will.
There's a symbol in my parents' autopsy report. A crescent moon pierced by an ash tree. Have you seen it?
Where did you see that mark? Lyra, that's not a gang sign. That's a witch's binding seal.
Your blood is burning my mind!
A little gift from the coven. You're losing control, Simus.
Get out, Ivies, my mind. Something is tearing it apart. I might hurt you.
You won't hurt me. You need an anchor.
The child! The child is the trigger! Once she bleeds on the full moon, the purge begins! The child is the trigger! Once she bleeds on the full moon, the purge begins!
Mina, I need your help.
No. Monster.
He's my brother. Please.
If she's the trigger, she's also the sponge. Mina, I need your help.
Lyra, the leech is dying. The wolfsbane is reaching his heart.
No. Monster.
He's my brother. Please. Save him. Your mind. The static is gone. I can see it now.
What do you see, Simus?
I see a crown. A crown of ash and shadow. A crown of ash and shadow. Holy shit.
Get up, Silas.
Father. A crown of ash and shadow. Holy shit. The arrogant leech is bowing.
You're pathetic, Silas. Bowing to a stray cat.
My reason tells me I should kill you. You're a threat to everything we built. But I saw that crown. The Vance family, from this moment on, is at your command.
Get up, Silas. We don't have time for kneeling. The full moon is in 3 days. We need every vampire and wolf in this town if we're gonna fight a coven. Am I right?
I leave town for 1 week, and my heirs are pledging their immortal lives to a teenager. How poetic. Father. So, you are the anomaly that broke my son's mind. Shall we see if you can break mine? Drink it. Welcome to the family, Lyra.
Don't let me fall in front of him.
The invincible jaguar, felled by simple blood loss. A fatal weakness, Caspin.
If you touch her, I will burn your culve to the ground myself! Drink, my apex. You gave me your life, now take mine. Drink it.
A two-way blood bond. How terribly romantic and utterly fatal. Welcome to the family, Lyra. You feel his pain. A two-way blood bond. The ultimate vulnerability. Look at you. You feel his pain. If I break his bones, you shatter. You haven't doubled your strength, Lyra. You've halved your survival rate.
You're right. I feel his pain. But you forgot one thing, old man. He also feels my rage.
Magnificent. Then we have a war to win, my queen.
The full moon will bleed the cipher dry.
We burn the asylum tonight.
You always wanted my undivided attention, Ivy.
Silas, please. The Coven made me do it. I still love you.
Love? Let's see what that looks like in your head.
The full moon will bleed the cipher dry.
The Coven isn't planning a siege. They are preparing an altar at the abandoned town asylum. They need to sacrifice Mina on the full moon to activate the purge spell within her.
The full moon is tomorrow night. We don't wait to be hunted. We burn the asylum tonight. He's my weapon.
Arrogant girl!
Are you going to die on your knees?
We burn the asylum tonight.
Jackson is a fool for bringing you here. The Quilluck Pack does not bleed for a stray cat and her leech master.
He's not my master. He's my weapon. And I am here to draft an army, not ask for a favor.
Arrogant girl! Jackson, kill this traitor! I won't do it! She's the only hope we have to survive the Coven!
If the Coven completes the sacrifice, your pack loses their magic too. So, Alpha, are you going to die on your knees, or fight by my side?
Mina, what are you drawing?
She's in a trance. The Grimoire inside her is reacting to the approaching full moon.
Mina, what are you drawing?
The witches, they keep their hearts in glass jars under the earth. You have to break the jars, Lyra, or they won't die.
So, They are immortal above ground. Caspian, tell Simus to load the incendiary rounds. We're going jar hunting.
I might lose control and hurt you.
I need you to channel it. Caspian, what's happening? Is it the poison?
No, it's the bond. The battle is too close. My vampire hunger is merging with your apex hunting instincts. It's driving me insane. Stay away from me, Laia. I might lose control and hurt you.
I don't need you to control it. I need you to channel it. Better?
Ready to hunt. They are trying to cast a barrier.
Leave no survivors.
Three on the roof. They are trying to cast a barrier. Blood Ward. Pest control, my favorite.
No! Make it stop! The screaming!
Stop breathing. It's a neurotoxin.
No! Make it stop! The screaming!
Caspian, it's an illusion! Look at me!
I hurt you.
Pain means you're awake. Stay with me.
Welcome to the morgue, Apex.
Lyra! Lyra!
Sympathetic magic. I got a strand of your hair from the asylum gate. The Apex is strong, but her heart is just flesh. And the leech is blinded by his attachment. Let's see him scream for you.
You missed. Smash them all.
No! Stop!
You can't kill me. My heart is hidden in the earth.
Mina's map. Simus. The vault is behind the altar.
Every witch in the Convent, their immortality is bottled up.
No! No! Stop!
Smash them all. Jackson, the Coven is dead. Secure the house.
Lyra, I failed. They took her.
Who took Mina?
Mrs. Gable, the orphanage director.
I am the first witch.
She raised me just to watch me. The orphanage was a cage.
You're late, Kiara. I always told you to be punctual for curfew.
Don't call me that. Step away from the child, Gable. The Coven is ash.
Those fools in the asylum were just a distraction. I am the first witch. I survived your parents, and I will survive you. The leech is useless against ancient blood. Now, watch your legacy burn.
Lyra, breathe! Lyra! No. Lyra, breathe. I command you to breathe.
Get off me, Caspid. I'm not dead.
Wake up.
Get off me, Caspid. I'm not dead.
I thought I lost the only quiet in my mind.
The witch is dead. The hunt is over.
Her body is dead, but her vengeance isn't.
It's a dead man's swinch! She tied the purge spell to her own death!
Mina is going to explode. We have to get up there, now!
Lyra, you can't touch that!
It hurts! Make it stop!
The Gramalor! It's consuming her! When she burns to ash, the Purge Wave will wipe out every supernatural in this town! Lyra, you can't touch that! It will incinerate you!
Magic needs a vessel. Mina is a human child. She's too weak to hold a dead god's power. It's overflowing. But I am a predator. And I have the blood of an ancient vampire. I am the strongest vessel here.
No! Silemus! Let me go! It will kill her!
Drink me.
Liar!
Burn! Burn! It's burning me from the inside!
Drink me. Use my immortality to fight the fire. I will not let you die alone. No. No, please.
You survived the Grinear.
This town is mine. I was just getting hungry.
What the hell is she?
I am awake.
You survived the Grinear. You assimilated it.
The Cove is dead. The Purge is cancelled. This town is mine.
Laya, wait. The energy surge. It was too massive. It acted like a flare across the continent. The Sovereign Council. The ancient vampire lords. They felt you. They know an anomaly has been born.
Good. Let them come. I was just getting hungry.
They're here. They're here.
An anomaly that reeks of witch fire and beast blood. And two Vance traitors standing by her side. Kneel before your makers, Caspian.
My loyalty is bound to the apex.
Impossible. A blood bond stronger than the Sire's command?
He doesn't answer to dead men. Come down here and fight, you archaic parasite.
Then you will both turn to ash.
Too slow.
Die.
Too slow. My turn.
You dare! A mongrel is still a mongrel. Die.
You forgot what's inside me.
Gods can bleed. Gods can bleed. And predators drink.
You will bring the end of our entire race.
I'm not ending the race. I'm just firing the management.
Is that all you have, old man? Her mind is an ocean of static. You can't even scratch the surface.
I strip you of your immortality. I strip you of your crown.
Long live the apex.
You bled for me again.
She just deleted a god. The Sovereign Council is dead. Long live the apex.
Get up. All of you. I didn't kill them to become another tyrant.
You bled for me again.
And I would do it for eternity. You are my quiet, my anchor, my queen.
eternity is a long time. Don't bore me.
It's perfect, sweetheart.
Where the apex goes, I go.
Look, Daddy, Casper it. I drew Lila's tail.
It's perfect, sweetheart.
Lyra, the Alpha of the Seattle Pack sent a message. They are requesting permission to hunt in the northern woods.
Tell them no. Mina is having a picnic in the North Woods tomorrow. I don't want wet dogs ruining the grass.
Of course, Apex. I will send them a very polite refusal.
Yay! Can Caspian come to the picnic too?
Where the apex goes, I go.